Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make a shadow play for your kids. It not only increase the curiosity in the kids but also enhance their cognitive skills and development. The things you will need is a tissue roll, a plastic sheet, a rubber band and some cutouts. You have to attach the plastic sheet with a tissue roll with the help of a rubber band. You can also stick it, but I am attaching a rubber band like this. Then you will need some cutouts, like I have a flower, I have a butterfly, some shapes. This is a very excellent activity for teaching your child some shapes, animals, alphabets, anything you want your child to learn. You can give them a new vocabulary too. So let's start. With the help of a glue stick or a tape, you have to stick any shape or some animal on the tissue roll. With the help of a torch light or a mobile light, you can show a shadow too.